Hi guys, in this video I will show you 4 chest exercises for beginners. So do this exercise and burn off chest fat. And I am already uploaded a playlist of chest exercise video. So click on that I button and check them out. First exercise is arm crossover plus chest lifts. Stand tall and raise your arm in front of you at shoulder level with your palms facing down. Cross your arms and bring them back, pushing your elbows behind your back and squeezing your shoulder blades. Extend the arms and bring them back in front of you. Repeat. Second exercise is crisscross arm lifts. Stand tall and raise your arms in front of you with palms facing each other. With crossing the arms, lift them up overhead and lower them down. Repeat the pattern. Third exercise is forward chest pushes. Stand straight and raise your arms in front of you at shoulder level. Close your palms together with your fingers facing forward. Now press the palms together and bring them to your chest. Extend it and repeat. Fourth exercise is kneeling slow push-ups. Start in a high plank position with your knees on the floor and arms wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lower toward the floor while keeping your body in line. Your elbows should move outward. Push up to return to the start position. Repeat. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.